Big for memories lang sa phone.
I could pass for the weekend. I just put our flights. Let's go see a show in Mexico. Yeah.
Surf rock
Dance
girl.
all night. We should fly right overseas. Take my hand to another land, girl, just
Wala
you
yung
and me.
surfing ko, guys.
Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze.
Mababan ba?
We can do this anywhere, never place you
Tapos nakita
wanna
ko pa
see.
sila yung
Yeah.
lost track.
Few days in
Wala,
Tokyo,
nawala ka na. Wala sound eh. Ewan ko saan yung sound.
out there in Ibiza, chilling all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change.
Uy, ang tagal
That'll
naman
never
dito.
change.
Last
We should
year,
ride a bike right there today. Feel the breeze taking the sights. Hand in hand through the streets of Paris, girl. Having fun by candlelight. Maybe we could take the train to London.
Sorry ka yan eh. Ay, shit. Ang
I've
madali
got
ako.
some real good friends out there.
Ayun lang pala.
Maybe we could check out Strasbourg and Barcelona. Our love could take us anywhere. We should fly right overseas. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me.
Magaling ko na yan.
Breakfast here, dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, never place you wanna
Sayang
see.
talaga magkarga. Kasi magasto man tayo. Oy.
We can spend
Bangan.
out there in Ibiza, chilling all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change.
Ano yun? Nawala na kasi yung
Few
surfing
days
ko
in
ba?
Tokyo,
Sa phone ko.
we can spend out there in Ibiza, chilling all day with your feet up. No matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change. That'll never change.
How much? Daddy that I'm a thought of like one thought. Ito wala kasi music eh. Itong na-save ko gagawin ko kasi wala music. Yun, wow, surfing siya oh. Surfboard. Grabe, ang galing ko mag-surfing. Walang practice. Ah. Iba ganda si ante oh. Wow. Ito nagtanong. Bakit wala music to? Ay, mayroon pala.
No one is gonna remember you, so fuck it.
Where do the bad time? Ito pa. Gago, aray ko na. Ulog pa ako dun. Ulog ako dun, gago. Ay, naka. Pansa naman eh. Ay. Sobrang payat ko pa dito. Ano pa ako, short hair? Last month. Ay, last year. Sobrang payat ko pa dun kasi gusto magbe-beach ako. Kailangan ko kasi yun. Hindi, bagsak mo na lang yan lahat. Hindi, ang reason page ko kay ano, katong nagbakasyon na, ay nung nagpunta kami ng Samal kasi hindi man ako nakapag-live. 3 days, di ba ako nawala? 4 days. Kasi naglibre ang tita na. Kasi galing man siya sa ibang bansa. So, nakisabay na lang kami, nilibre kami. Sana yan, ito dito. Alaka dinigugma, tilo-tilora. Ito. Yung nag-surfing ako. Yan lang. Ay, bakit di makita? Walang practice yan. Marunong mo mag-drive. Basta marunong ka mag-drive daw ng motor. Ayun lang. Yun lang. Tapos hindi na ako nag-picture. Tok-tok-tok-tok lang ako. Ganon. Ano? Wala na. Ganon lang. Wala na ganap. Five now. Ito. Kapatid ko yun. Nakaganda ako. Aso ko, guys. Ibutsi. Ano, yun lang. Nakamabit. Bye, guys. Nagsama lang ako kasi gusto ko ma-experience yung ano, yung jet ski. Charot. Wala na. Ang picture ko is ganito lang. Low-key lang man. Low-key person. You know. Kasi hindi ko yun ay na-upload. Huwag nagsa-story lang ako. Hindi ako mahilig mag-upload. Ayoko ng ano. Ayoko ng... Gusto ko ano lang. Peace of mind. Ayoko mag-upload ka. Tapos may mag-ano na naman sa'yo. May masabi